All right, guys, today we're gonna be reviewing this sweater that I got for review. You can see it's nice and thick. It's knitted. It feels great on your body. It's well made. It's very stylish. It's very warm. It's one of the rarest days in Florida that it gets cold. New Year's Eve is going down to 35, and this brand sent me the sweater to review, and it didn't come in a better time because I can wear it today. This is what I'm gonna wear for my New Year's Eve party because it's stylish, it looks good, it's super comfortable. It's my daughter's birthday too, so we'll be celebrating. You see it's half zip, so you can wear it open or all the way up for a turtleneck look. Zipper is really nice. It has a little nice accent, very well made, very comfortable. Definitely recommend it. You can see here, pairs with some black pants, some same color as the accent, burgundy with the shoes, black pants, sweater. You can go wrong. So definitely recommend to go pick yours. Hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.